Yo, so this is 4th of July. Again, like last year I made a video of 4th of July. And look, this time it's much bigger. Literally. I mean, look at this guy. Yo. I'm gonna cut the video and then every time I see a firework, I just start, okay? So, capiche. Hey, see that? See that right there? When I zoom in, it's kind of blurry, but do you see that? Ooh.
I don't like the itchy grass. How?
Huh? Look how beautiful it is. Huh? Look. Huh? Yo, look at it. Look. Oh my god, just look at that thing. Oh, come on, it's gone already. Huh. There it is. Do you see it? The monkey. Oh, green one. It's gone. Oh yeah, see that right there, see that? What is that? Oh, dang. Bye. Till next video.
Wow.